Woman attempts to glue herself to court in protest during Clippers versus Timberwolves play-in game. The protester was quickly removed after a bizarre scene. What good is it to... What kind of material are you going to use to glue yourself permanently there in the temporary amount of time that you have?
Also, what are you protesting?
A fan was escorted off. Well, that's what she wants you to ask, Mo.
Right.
A fan was escorted off after attempting to glue themselves to the floor during the Clippers-Timberwolves game. Okay. Oh, you can't play it. Oh, now it's copyright for sure. How dare you?
I'm just going to do...
Okay. At what? Okay, yeah. I don't think it happened.
Was back here.
Right there?
Yeah, when she got apprehended.
So she tried to go...
quickly.
She tried to get on the main court, not even on the sideline.
Yeah.
Shout out Sir Richard.
Escorted away.
Okay, so where's the glue? How are we going to know that there's actually glue?
Probably when they had to clean it up, they realized that, hey, this person is trying to cost the game.
Mo, you know what she was protesting?
I have no idea.
Plastic straws.
Really? I don't know if you're goofing with me right now.
No, shout out Briggs in the chat. He gave me that material right there.
Okay.
According to TNT sideline reporter Ali LaForce, security guards said the woman glued herself to the floor by her wrists and refused to lift her wrists up. The reason for the interruption was not immediately known. However, following the incident, a global grassroots network of animal rights activists named Direct Action Everywhere claimed responsibility for the protest. It was in response to alleged animal rights issue at Timberwolves owner Glenn Taylor's egg farm. Oh,
Well, this is deep.
well, it's a roundabout thing going on. I mean, why the glue? Can't you just wear a shirt that says it and then go out on the court?
It'd be much clearer of a message.
Or if you really care, then why don't you like handcuff yourself to the basket?
The factory or whatever, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Well, I'm just giving the pro. I'm just giving
not
her
very
idea. I don't know. This
creative
glue
as
thing
well.
is weird. It's definitely not going to work. What type
Like,
of?
well, you also leave a mess on the court, ruining the game potentially.
Right, yeah.
You know?
Yeah, because they got those sweeper dudes that come in. Even if you fall, like a little bit of sweat hits the floor.
Listen, we can be having the paper straws anyway.
You're not a fan of the paper straws?
Shout out Bobby. No, they fall apart, man. Depends what you're drinking, but they
Right.
give you a paper straw with a smoothie or something. I think it's soggy. It's a disaster.
Smoothie, no. No go.
A smoothie, yes.
I'm saying paper straws, that doesn't work for the smoothie.
Smoothie,
you're right.
yes. That's what they try to do.
But
And
most drinks, it's all good.
they got to come with the biodegradable plastic corn-based straw.
I think.
Yeah, Booster does it. I
Booster,
talked about it multiple
yeah.
times on this show, and then some guy said those don't even break down. They take forever, and plenty of turtles are dead or whatever. But the thing is, somebody's got to work on this technology. It's imperative that we do it right now.
Yeah.
Please, somebody figure out the straw properly.
Yeah.
There's some drinks like smoothies, for example. You need one.
Yeah.
You need one.
I agree.
I mean, in certain situations, I don't care about the straw. Like over here, like you give me the iced coffee and the lid.
Yeah.
I don't care.
You're finishing it quicker before the straw.
I don't care.
Yeah.
I don't care.
So aggressive.